In today's video, I'll show you the 3 best free caller ID apps for Android. Let's get started. First up is Truecaller. This is one of the most popular caller ID apps out there. It identifies incoming calls using a huge global database and labels them as spam, business, or personal. It also blocks robocalls and scam messages in real time. Plus, you get features like reverse number lookup, call recording, and full-screen caller ID. Next on the list is Hiya. Hiya offers strong spam and fraud detection with real-time alerts and color-coded caller categories. Even the free version includes business caller ID and automatic spam blocking. Many users say it has a clean interface and fewer false positives. Finally, we have Call App. This app identifies both incoming and outgoing calls and blocks spam easily. It also includes call recording, cloud backup, reverse lookup, and blacklist management. You can even customize your dialer with features like video ringtones. And those are the 3 best free caller ID apps for Android. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.